Is that fun?
How about all my stuffed animals?
No, Lila.
Okay, I love that. Okay.
You can swing your stuffed animals. Daddy did this a few days ago, or maybe just 2. I don't know. I know she wants to do it all the time. So dangerous.
Let go.
You scared?
Yeah.
You want to get out?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Guess you shouldn't do that anymore, huh?
I'm gonna do it to that piece.
No way!
Yes.
You can't do it to me! Get out of here!